Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back. It's Chris, and today my topic of the day is visualizing COVID risk through an ER diagram. Now, I made the ER diagram, it's over here, and I was pretty much visualizing a flow chart at first. I kind of wanted to work toward a flow chart, which is similar, I guess, in a way, but I couldn't make the flow chart because there's too many different things, and I just decided to do it this way because it's the most default way to do it. And so I have my entities here, which are the patient, geographic location, occupation, hospitals, behavior and hobbies, and then the risk, which they all are pretty much related in a way. So some had trouble figuring out some things between patient and risk, since the patient is the risk. So some things I have kind of the same thing in two different locations, but that's just how I perceived it and the way that I did it. So through here, down here, I have my explanations and what each thing is basically, and then I have my example tuples, which are over here. And I don't have any data to put in them, obviously. I could put example data in there, but I just wanted to make it not confusing at all. But so the way I approached this is sort of like in a hypothetical way that you could use this data, collect the data, automatically have it inserted into the tables, then use the data from the tables from the tuples in each section and sort of make an algorithm that you could output their risk factor, whether that be in a way of a certain number or just like a level of risk that an individual would have. So you would sort it in a way that'd be like, this is obviously a very beginning of the like starter of how I would do it, but there'd obviously be a way to identify like an identifier thing, whether that with like a package, you have a package number, you could have like a patient number that would then identify for each of these across. And then you take your outcome from each patient number, and then you would output it into a certain thing that would say somebody's risk, for whether that be for other people, the risk around them, or the risk for them as a person, if that makes sense. But that's sort of how I approached it and what I brought upon my project that I went through. But there's not much more to talk about, so I hope you guys understand what I was trying to go for in this, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you all next time.